Hey, good morning, first period. Good morning to you. Happy Monday morning. Sorry I can't be here with you. I want to go over what I want you guys to accomplish today. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need to. Maybe make a list as we go through. It's actually not that much. First things first, I want you to go, just like any other class, I want you to start with a warm-up question here. Tell me which one of the four types of colonists would you have been at the time of the American Revolution? Or which one would you like to be? Would you be a loyalist? Would you be a rebel? Your choice. Just tell me why. All right. What we left off on Thursday was the Road to the Revolution timeline, and this is what I would think is going to take up most of your time today. You have all the time you need. Just as a quick review, you need to put these events down here. You need to put them in order in which they happened, so chronological order. You need to create a slide for each event. On that slide, you should have the year and the month that the event took place. Your slides should be colorful. They should have at least 2 pictures per event and a 3-sentence description for each event. This is on Schoology and it's in the active folder, and there is a rubric attached to the assignment, so you can go through and use the rubric to check your own work. Make sure that you are completing all the necessary tasks. Alright, so the way the rubric is filled out, I tell you what I'm expecting to get full credit, and then the rest of it I just kind of I didn't fill out because I'm hoping you realize there, if you get all the events with the correct month and year, you're going to get full credit. If you miss one, you might get 16 out of 18 points. If you're missing 2 or 3, and so on and so on, you'll miss out on that many points. So hopefully that makes sense. Aesthetics, 3-sentence summary. So I tried to keep it brief and give you only the necessary information. Alright, when you're done with the timeline, if you finish, I want you to get some more information about the beginning of the Revolutionary War, and I am going to post a link to this video called The Revolutionary War, an Animated Battle Map, and I'll put the link on Schoology for you to watch. Okay, please treat the substitute with respect, of course, and treat each other with respect. A little homework for today, guys. I won't see you until Wednesday. A little homework for today is spread just a little bit of kindness wherever you go. Please compliment somebody that you come across at some point today, and let everybody know how amazing you are. Alright guys, take care. I will see you on Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. Just kidding.